We talk all of the time about kids' health and fitness here on The Five, and one program that seems to be having the intended effect is the YMCA's Kids Fit program, now in its second year, and it's in partnership with the UW Pediatric Fitness Program. That is where we find Dr. Aaron Carroll this afternoon. He is with the UW Peds program, a partner again in this project. And Dr. Carroll, you're seeing a lot of success with this program?
We have. It's been a really exciting program.
You are at your gym this afternoon. I know you just had a slew of kids in there this afternoon. Talk about what those kids were doing as part of the Kids Fit program and what the goal is of that.
So we had kids from the elementary school Orchard Ridge here today as part of the YMCA Kids Fit program. And the UW Pediatric Fitness Clinic, we help as part of this project to measure fitness levels and body composition in all the kids.
So we've got some video up now, so we're kind of seeing what some of the kids were doing today. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you there.
No, so it's really fun. We get the kids on the treadmill to do some fitness testing, and we also do body composition testing. And this is really a nice way that UW Pediatric Fitness can work with the YMCA in one of many ways that a lot of partners throughout the community can work together to help our kids.
I was going to say, you really reach a whole new segment of kids through the YMCA. Talk about how a lot of these partnerships in the community are coming together and why that's important if we're ever really going to kind of change the direction that our kids and their health are going.
Right. So when we think about children's fitness, this is a really important point about children's health in general. And so I think this is another way of reminding us that it really takes so many groups to come together. Not just parents who play a big role, but schools play a big role. And the YMCA is working with us to really try and bring all of us together. And next month is YMCA's Healthy Living Summit. And as part of that, we can try to work together to kind of remind us how the community can really work together in children's fitness.
Dr. Carroll, based on what you're seeing, if communities don't start coming together and building partnerships like this and kind of working toward the health of our children, what are you seeing could potentially happen?
Well, I think our worry is that poor fitness can really hurt children's health. And our pediatric fitness clinic is really trying to work with kids and families. Starting next month, we're going to be offering new clinic days on Monday afternoons when kids get out of school early. And we're really trying to see how else we can work with our community to really help all our children.
I was going to say, does coming in and doing something like this today engage them on a level maybe that they haven't been before and get them kind of excited about working out?
It's been a lot of fun to see the kids, and I think the kids are really excited to see how well they can perform and to really see how strong their bodies really can be.
Well, it's interesting, especially as I know you're branching out into working with more and more schools throughout our area. Dr. Carroll, anything you would think is important for parents to take away from this?
Well, I think parents should just be reminded that they play a very important role in our children's health, and there are lots of partners out there, and we'd like to work together.
All right, Dr. Carroll joining us this afternoon from UW Sports Medicine, where the Pediatric Fitness Clinic is located. We appreciate your time. And again, he mentioned there's a Healthy Living Summit coming up that the YMCA is hosting along with a whole lot of community partners. And we'll post a link to that on our web channel, NBC15.com, under news links. Dr. Carroll, take care.
Thanks so much.
We'll see you again soon.
Okay.
All right, David George is back with Final Check in your forecast when we come back.